A federal court has ordered major changes at a juvenile detention center in Galesburg. A lawsuit revealed certain practices used at the Mary Davis detention home that advocates call harmful and abusive. Emma Bucher breaks down the case for us and what the ruling means for the youth held there and for facilities across the state.
Here at the Mary Davis home, kids as young as 11 were held in allegedly abusive conditions. For years, the ACLU says the facility used solitary confinement as a form of discipline, but a judge ruled that practice needs to stop. The Mary Davis home houses youth from across Northwest Illinois while they await sentencing. But behind these doors,
our investigation showed kids being subjected to solitary confinement for 23 plus hours a day for days in a row, sometimes weeks in a row.
The lawsuit, filed by the ACLU of Illinois in May 2024, claimed children were confined in concrete cells, denied education, human contact, and proper mental health support. Kevin Fee with Illinois ACLU says kids were placed in solitary in response to self-harming or suicidal behaviors.
I mean, you've got kids who are in need of emergency mental health treatment who are being instead placed in a 12 by 8 concrete box for 22, 23 hours a day.
In a ruling just last week, a federal judge found the isolation practices likely violated the kids' constitutional rights. The court issued a preliminary injunction banning long-term solitary, giving the facility 30 days to implement emergency mental health care.
I think the key features of the plan are going to need to be adequate supervision and immediate, true emergency mental health intervention for the youth.
Fee also noted that officials had been warned and audited before. We reached out to the Mary Davis home for comment, but have not heard back.
And these are children, many of whom are not in there on violent charges. Many of them, have a real chance to turn their lives around. The real long-term solution is one that recognizes that.
The Mary Davis home has until the end of October to develop and release its emergency mental health care plan. The ACLU hopes that, in combination with increased court oversight, will help improve the lives for the kids inside. In Galesburg, Emma Bucher, WQAD News 8.
The Mary Davis home is run by Knox County and the state. County officials say their role in the facility is strictly financial. They say they write the budgets and pay staff, but have no involvement in day-to-day operations.